The serial rape trial of a Spokane Valley sex offender began today. Pierre West faces life in prison if convicted of the kidnapping and rape of 5 Spokane prostitutes. KXLY4's Erik Loney was live at the courthouse now with the emotional testimony from today. Erik.
Pierre West's 5 alleged victims took the stand today and described how West picked them up, took them home, and then terrorized them. One of his victims said he was nice when they met and when they left, but he was an animal in between.
If I had sex with him, he gave me $60. If I had sex with him really good, he gave me $100.
A former prostitute named Jennifer testified she was working on East Sprague when Pierre West picked her up, took her to his house, and became violent.
He had told me he could lock me in his closet, and put me away for a week and, take me out when he wanted. It wouldn't matter, that nobody would know I was there.
She only escaped when a neighbor knocked on the door.
I figured it was a do-or-die situation at this point. I honestly did. And I grabbed my clothes that were laying out on the floor, and I ran out the back door screaming.
Jennifer and 4 other prostitutes testified against West today, detailing brutal sexual encounters where they were forced to perform sex acts.
They got themselves into a situation where they feared for their lives.
Prosecutors have charged West with 15 counts of rape, assault, kidnapping, and harassment.
Not one piece of evidence backs up anything these women said.
Public Defender John Stein told the jury in opening statements West may have refused to pay several of the women, but he did not rape them.
It should be undisputed that they were not forced to have sex against their will. Mr. West did not do anything to them that they hadn't agreed to do for money ahead of time.
West already has 1 conviction for rape, so if convicted in this case, he could be sentenced under the state's 2 strikes and you're out for violent sex offenses and would be sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. Reporting live, Erik Loney, KXLY4 HD News.